Welcome back. Now, this module is about crafting the perfect children's book. And again, it's really easy with the new Bookmaster V2. You need a topic, you need an author, and choose your tone. And if you got any custom instructions, like the child's name or the story direction that you may want to add in there, this is great if you want to personalize it to your grandchild or your child with their names and their characters in there. So we're going to learn visual consistency, how to get the same character. The software does a great job of that right now. But if you put in a custom instructions, give a description and say, use this as a consistent character throughout the story. Format sizing is going to be automatically optimized for 8.5 by 11 letter size, and it will work perfect in an EPUB or a PDF. This is great for audience retention, especially if you're doing children's books around a topic that is related to a product or service that you have. Let's see how it's done. I'm going to go into New Book, and we're going to create a children's book. Again, I'm going to use Grok. And what are some crazy ideas for children's books that are illustrated? Do a little research, try to find me 5 really unique ideas. Okay, so let's take a look at the ideas. The Day the Socks Rebelled, Cloud Chef's Kitchen Catastrophe. I've had this one before. I've seen it. The Shadow Shop. I like this one right here. Grandma's Time Travel Teapot, a magical, slightly dented teapot. So let's take a look at it. We're going to go all the way down here, and I'm just going to copy it. I don't have to think of an idea. So I come over here to Bookmaster. What's the story about? I'm going to paste that in there. Title. Let's create a title here. Give me a very clever title options for number 4. Again, I like building my own titles because I can choose versus letting AI choose for me. So top tier, let's see what they recommend. Sip Through Time, Grandma's Magical Teapot. The teapot that tasted yesterday and tomorrow. Ooh, I like that one. That's clever. We'll go with that. Over here, put that in title. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to use Clara. Tone. I want this to be playful. English, number of pages. Let's just put 10 pages in here. Now we added this in here and it's really clever. You can upload a photo of each character and it will keep it consistent throughout the book. Give it a name and then choose the file to upload it. This is a really neat feature because you can have up to 4 different characters interacting with each other. Here's your special instructions if you want to put anything down here. Whatever you want to add to it that would customize this book for you. I'm going to skip all that. I'm going to hit Generate Book, and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, we finished The Teapot That Tasted Yesterday. Let's take a look at it. Oh, these are great images. And you can change these images. If you want to redo them, you just click Redo. You can also, that's our prompt, so you can change that prompt if you want or upload your own image in here. These are great. I'm not going to change any of them. Let's take a look at the book, though. The Teapot That Tasted Yesterday by Clara Hennessy. Oh, this is cute. A great story to go along with these images. Look at this. It's amazing. I want to read it right now. So I'll just scroll on down to the very bottom. You can see these great illustrated images. You have a teapot, and it comes down to where they're talking about that after all their adventures, they're still talking together. This is beautiful. Let's take a look at, and again, it's ready to go to EPUB. You want to validate it first, but let's look at the front cover. Oh, that looks good. And you can move this title if you want. So if you want to, you can customize cover. Where do you want the title position? Here's the title text. Let's put it lower. Apply and preview. There we go. You make it larger. I like that. When you're ready to download front cover, I'll close this window. And let's look at the back cover. And this is ready to go. You can download PDF as well. And to validate the EPUB, you just click the button to validate it. It's already checked, so it's already been authorized, and that's all there is to creating a children's book. Every single page features this rich, dedicated illustration. There's no dead zones. I mean, it just looks beautiful. And this is an algorithm attractor. If you've listened to our full webinar, Amazon really looks at how many pages are read, and these illustrations along with the story, it just naturally lends to finishing the book. Hope you enjoyed that. Very easy to do, starting with a topic, a title, and an author. And now you can add your own characters, your own custom characters in there.
Your topic, your book, ready for Amazon.